This DIY recipe will blow your mind. It is packed with nutrients and vitamins that can help stimulate new healthy hair growth. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. So one of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is avocado. Avocados are very easy to find. I believe anybody watching me can find avocado regardless of which country you're watching me from. Very common in any grocery stores and super affordable. But before getting into the details of avocado, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so avocados can actually promote hair growth by nourishing your scalp. New hair grows from the scalp. So whenever you have healthy scalp, it makes it easier for your hair to grow. Not only that, it is also going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent it from hair damage. Adding avocado to your hair care routine can also prevent hair dryness, moisturize your hair, and also make it thrive. So I added about 2 avocados. There is no specific measurement to this. It all depends on the quantity you are making. This is fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds contains iron, protein, and nutrients that can help strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. Adding fenugreek seeds to your hair care routine can help you grow your hair thicker, longer, and fuller. It is going to strengthen your hair strands to prevent them from breakage. Fenugreek seeds are really powerful when it comes to hair growth. So if you haven't tried these seeds, I highly recommend you trying them. So what I did was I added about 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds into a mason jar. I added water to it and left it overnight to allow it to soak. If you are in a rush to finish this DIY recipe, you can add some warm water and leave it sitting for about 3 hours. Then it will be ready for you to use. It is important to soak it in water to help it infuse. When you look at the seeds, you can see that it has doubled in size, and this is exactly what you need. When you allow it to infuse with the water, it becomes softer and easier for it to be blended to release all the nutrients that you need for your hair. So once you have it like so, you're going to put everything in a blender, both the fenugreek seeds and your avocados together. Blend it until it turns into a smooth paste. Alright, so after blending everything, regardless of how smooth it comes out of the blender, it is very important to strain it. Don't ever think because it came out really smooth from the blender, you do not need to strain it. Please do strain it. You can always use a cheesecloth, a wig cap, or something with tiny holes that can make the straining much easier. Whatever you choose to use, make sure it is very clean and free of dirt and bacteria. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, You will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is the part. This is the leftover after straining this DIY hair mask. So what you're looking at right now is my DIY hair growth oil using clove. So you can call this clove oil. I added some clove oil to this DIY recipe. If you do not have clove oil, you can feel free to use any oil of your choice. Avocado oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, just to mention a few, even coconut oil. You just need to add some kind of oil to this recipe. I added about 5 tablespoons of my clove oil to this recipe, give it a good stir, and right now it is all ready to be used. Look at how smooth and beautiful this hair mask is already looking. It applies smoothly onto the hair strands. This DIY recipe is super powerful, you all. If you try this just after your first use, you will see that your hair is so soft and very easy to manage. So you're going to use this on your wash days. When you are ready to wash your hair, you're going to section your hair into about 4 sections. You will apply this after you have rinsed out your shampoo. You're going to apply it to every section. Make sure you massage it in. Apply it from root to the ends and coat every hair strand with this hair mask. You're going to put each section in twists, cover your hair for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out. After that, you go ahead and moisturize your hair and put in a protective hairstyle. Repeat this at least once a week or on your wash days. Let me hear from you in the comment section if this is something you would love to try. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next one.